How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guy channel. And before I get started on this video, I'd like to say thank you to all my subscribers, all my supporters. Thank you very much. And what I'm going to do in this video right here is I'm one of my stalled projects. I think Woody had a video, or Woody, video, what was that, stalled projects, whatever, and I responded to that video whenever it was put up. I had showed a bunch of my stalled projects, which that wasn't all of them, but it was one of them. Well, I decided to get one out and start it, and right now, me and Russell at Russell's Model Cars, we got a buddy build going right now, and when he finishes his, I'll post mine. But so since I'm in between that right now, I figured I'd do this stalled build. And actually, the build I didn't actually start. I got a good deal on this kit off eBay a few years back, and I just never messed with it. And in the video, I think when I showed you all the stalled builds, it was one of them that I was wanting to do and just never got around to it, because when I bought it, I liked what he was going, whoever was started this car, I liked what they was doing with it. And but it just needed totally done over. Some of it was built and then some of it wasn't, and some of it wasn't very good, and then some of it was pretty good, but I just tore the whole thing apart, and I'm starting to rebuild it back the way I want it to look. But this is the one I'm building. I don't know if I can get that in there. It's a Otaki, I guess that's how you say it, I don't know. It's a 1/12 scale Honda S800. It's like a 1960, probably 67 or so Honda S800. And like I showed you all in the video before, it had been started on and stuff, and so I've got it tore apart now, but I'm gonna paint it the way I want to paint, and do everything the way I want to do it. So that's my new project. And two, I want to give a shout out to Chris Cortell at CP101, Classic Plastic 101. He sent me his shop card. Thank you. And I know I've had a lot of people send me their shop cards, and I think I don't have none right now, and I've been meaning to get something together and make me a shop card. I just haven't got around to it yet, but I figure this fall I'll sit down and figure out what I want on my shop card and everything, and I'll get them made, and then I'll get them out to everybody that sent them to me, and then when somebody wants one, I'll send them to them. But thank you, Chris. Got your card. Appreciate you, brother. Alright, well, I'll turn this around, show you what I've done. Alright, this is the car right here. When I got it, it had stripes on it. I tore the stripes off. They were just stickers on it. I've wet sanded this body, and I've clear coated it because I'm going to put some more stickers on it, or decals, or whatever, stripes. And then I've just tore the whole thing apart. I've tore the engine apart. I painted the engine block. I painted the firewall. I painted the hood. The hood was in primer and stripped down. The same way with the trunk. I had to repaint the trunk. Painted this right here. And I totally tore this down, and then I painted these and I put them back in there. But there's a lot of detailing that I'm going to do to this. And then I got all the parts still in the box over here that I'm going to have to use and still put together. But I thought I'd show you all that real quick, what I've gotten done, which ain't much, but I'm going to make a video on doing this one. And it's going to be a club racer. I guess you could see that. Here's the roll bar for it. Right there, I plan on, let me get some of this stuff out of the way. I plan on putting a tonneau cover over it. the roll bar. Then it'll have the wheels on it. They're actually, this is a 12 scale kit, but the wheels, let me find them here, are actually out of a 1/16 scale Pontiac Trans Am. And I plan on stripping the chrome off of it and making them look like a BBS style racing wheel. Anybody that knows about racing knows what a BBS wheel is. And so that's what I plan on doing there, because the stock wheels and hubcaps that come with it just won't cut it for what I'm doing. So, oh, and by the way, yeah, too, I guess while I'm doing this, a couple of antique shop finds. I got this kit right here. It's original issue. Oh, I'm not for sure what the date is. Let me find the date here. 1965. I got this thing for 20 bucks. Oh, yeah, it also come with the extra Mustang frame or chassis and motor, but that's all that's in there. But as far as the kit, I went through it and everything. It's all there. The only bad thing about this kit, it's so old that I'm going to build this the stock version right here, but with the hard top truck when I do build it, whenever I get around to it, if I ever do. But that's the way I do it. The only reason why I won't customize it is because I've got so many of the Model A pickups that's been reissued over the year, and the only way you can make them is custom. I figured, well, you know what, shoot, this would be neat just to do one all original, just because you just don't never see them. But like I said, saying about that, these tires, I don't know if they shrunk or what. I'm going to show you if I can get one of these out of here. Alright, now look what I'm talking about. Look at this. The wheels are way bigger than the tires. Any of y'all that's got this vintage kit, tell me if the tires shrunk because they're so old, because they're all like that, or they just never fit to begin with. I don't know. So in order for me to build this thing stock, I'm going to have to come up with a set of tires. But I think the old AMT kits should have big enough tires, maybe, to build this Model A pickup. But y'all leave comments in the comment section if you have a remedy or a fix for that, or what the deal is on that. But like I said, I give 20 bucks for it at the antique shop. And I bought this one right here, which I know it's been reissued, but this is the original issue kit. I give $5 for it. So, not a bad deal. Alright, if you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.